base file, I'm going to go ahead and create my each individual pieces with dimensions. So I'm going to go ahead from this drawing file here, I'm going to go ahead and go new drawing from design, and I'm going to leave everything as is with full assembly and click OK. From there, I'm going to go ahead and set the front, visible and hidden edges. I'm going to do 1/4 and pick a point right here. I'm going to start down here, sorry, here, and then go OK. And I'm going to turn off all of these objects. Now, from here, I am going to right-click, and I am going to project this view to the side and to the top, and then click Enter. Now, I can go ahead and delete that one, and I could click on this one and do a section view of it. Pick here to here, hit Enter, and pull it over to the side and hit Enter. Okay. I could do another base view, and on this one, again, it's going to be the front. It is 1/4. Okay. So maybe I turn off these, and I do a right-click, projected view, and out to the side, and Enter. I do a base view drawing again, change it from 1/8, pick a point, click OK, and I'm going to turn off these, and I'm going to use the bushing. I'm going to collapse this just to give myself some room. Bring this up to the top, project that. You can use these buttons up here at the top too. Project that, hit Enter. Now on this one, right-click, Edit View. It should be, all of these should be hidden with hidden lines. And close. Edit View, hidden lines, close. I'm going to create another one. Project, base view, front, hidden, 1/4, pick a point, OK, turn off that, project to the side, Enter. I can do it one more time. Base view, front, pick a point, OK, oops, edit view. Should be 1/4, close, and I gotta do the cap screw in the washer. You can do projected, out to the side. Can move these, move this down and over. Let's put that here. Put that one here. Move that down a little bit. Shift, and you can push these over. Oops. There we go. Drag that back over here. All right, so now you can start dimensioning the object. And the dimension of the object is the same as it is in regular CAD. Click on Dimensions. You can click on, for example, this length here. I'll do it from the top. You can go from endpoint, that snaps, pull it across. You can do it from an actual edge to edge, endpoint to endpoint. You can also do the dimensionings based on center lines. Let's say you needed a center line from, or a center mark from here. Maybe one out here. Maybe you need center lines from, and you have to pick the first edge from here. I'm going to undo that one. So my center mark would be from, oh, I guess you'd have to go from edge to edge, edge to edge. It might be easier. I'm going to go ahead and delete that one. Click on the line and then pull it. You've also got dimensions like angular. So I could click on angles within here. I'm not able to select this one. Well, angular. Since this is a section, I don't believe it's doing it. So I'm going to do, we can do diameter. And pull this over. Again, you can do aligned from endpoint to endpoint. We don't typically use aligned though in this class. You can do your, if it had a fillet or a radius. Oh, here we go. We can do angular over here from that edge to that edge. We can do dimensions from here to here. Okay, so I'm going to stop here and you can go ahead and start doing dimensions on this. The other thing that you can do is you can adjust your pulley, or you can adjust your title block with the information. You can just say exploded view instead of exploded view. Details. We'll call it parts details. Click OK. You can add text. Now, you can also adjust your text height. You can highlight that, change the height here. And close. Apparently this doesn't allow you to change it. Okay, but you can add text like this is 1. Bracket. Highlight it. And change the text size here. Maybe it needs to be, that's too big, so we'll go back to 0.12. Different styles. You can add symbols. Alright. Trying to get that to move. Now, pull this out a little bit. It's not as user-friendly as regular AutoCAD is, but here's some ways to start laying out and dimensioning your objects. All right, that's it for now.